Amruth, the founder of Kleansewell. We started Kleansewell for one purpose. Firstly, we wanted to find a solution to the garbage issues that are there in our society. So exposed garbage will cause a lot of diseases, and we wanted to try to give a solution to that. So plastic garbage bags have been banned. There wasn't any alternative at the time. So we introduced these garbage bags, which are made of cornstarch and are equally useful. So they are also color coded for segregation at source. And because they are made of cornstarch, it is easier to compost and it is simple to dispose of. So these are made of polylactic acid. It is basically cornstarch has been converted into lactic acid and then polymerized. So it is a polylactic acid. That is how we are able to achieve this characteristics of a plastic, but it is made of cornstarch. So this will take about 90 days to degrade. When you put it into a composting environment, it will take less than a week, and in a composting machine, it will take less than a day. So that is the kind of composting ability that these garbage bags have. They are color coded for segregation at source. The blue one is for sanitary waste, yellow is for the dry waste, red for the recyclable waste, and green for the wet waste. The wet waste can be treated accordingly, and all the waste which is packed in it can go into the composting environment. Whatever is there in the red bag can go into the recycling plants and it can be recycled to reuse that product again. And the blue garbage bags are for sanitary waste and they can be treated accordingly, and the yellow ones are for dry waste. They can be treated separately in a way that is suitable to treat them. After that, we went on to start these organic cleaning solutions, which are an alternative to chemical cleaning solutions. These were essential because chemical cleaning solutions are so hazardous. They will corrode your mucous membrane and make you susceptible to cold and cough. These are the alternative, and they will not corrode your mucous membrane and not make you susceptible to cold and cough. You will stay more healthy. We have 4 different products, that is bathroom cleaner, floor cleaner, toilet cleaner and glass cleaner. Then we went on to start a few other products that, like for example, bathing soaps, which we apply directly on our skin. So all these chemical soaps are all very hazardous and harmful to our skin and our body. We wanted to find a solution, and that's why we have started with natural soaps. Sodium hydroxide is the only chemical that is there in the soap, because it is essential to make soaps. But apart from that, there are no parabens, there are no sulfates and other things in our soaps. That's how we are helping the society live healthier and in an organic way. So all these products are there, but we need instructions as to how to use them and what are the different kinds of waste that go into the different kinds of garbage bags or different colored garbage bags. So for all this, we have a book written by my wife and me. This is downloadable on our website. You can download it for free. So you can download it through the link that is there on our website. If you have any issues, you can contact us. For further information, please log into our website kleansewell.in, and you can also call us on my phone number, which is mentioned on the website. Thank you so much.